let's go on to the next part. We talk about the effects of a force. Okay, what are the effects of a force? So what can our force do? If you look at these diagrams here, what do you think they can do? Okay, you can see a guy kicking a ball. You see squeezing a sponge, stopping a ball, pushing a cart. Okay, now what are the effects here? In actual fact, now there are few effects. Okay, first actually we can talk about the force changing the state of a motion. Okay, this is the first part here, changing the state of a motion. The second I talk about is the effect of force changing the size and the shape. So let's look at them one by one. So with regards to the states of motion, okay, you can talk about changing the motion directly. So for the changing the motion, you can talk about starting a motion or stopping a motion. Okay, so this is regards very simple. Okay, example, a guy starting a 100-meter race, a guy stopping from the 100-meter race when it reaches the end point. Next one, we talk about direction. Okay, we change the direction of a motion. So imagine a soccer ball that is kicked towards you and you want to kick back to the person. Okay, so that's how we can change the direction of motion. The other one is turning an object. So you can imagine how a clock, the hands of the clock is turning. Okay, you have a clock here, the hands of the clock is turning. Okay, the hands of the clock turning, that itself is an effect of a force. Changing the size of the object, changing the shape. Okay, you can think of it like plasticine, a sponge. Okay, this is an example of a sponge. Okay, here's an example, plasticine. Okay, these are the 6 effects of a force. So just take note, we got total 6 effects. Okay, that you must remember. Start, stop, change direction of motion. Turn an object, change the size, change the shape. So these are the 6 different effects of a motion, of a force. Okay, so just take note, you must know how to state the 6 of them. So number 1, number 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6.